Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Adam's funny videos. And today, my lunch. You're gonna see if my dog follows me wherever I go with this food. Also, that's my stupid brother's. Come on, minute girl. Okay, come on. See how far you're willing to go. Special surprise at that too. Come on, Nate. I'm recording a video. Stop. Thanks, weird. And there's my cat Yordi, which Yordi is about to leave. Which may never happen. Not. Look at Joey. Is it all happy? Is it all happy? Hey! Not yet. We share that. And say hi to Yordi, my cat. And Yordi's gonna climb out right there. He goes up that fence, goes up there, all the way down there, and then jumps off. Hi, Yordi. Yes, he does. Look at you. You're so happy. Lay down, lay. Yeah, do you guys see that? I meant a moth. Moth is right there in the dirt. You guys see that? Man, it's gonna eat that midnight. Look at her. Yeah. And I can't see it. She's too busy with the food that I have. But wow, cool moth. Shake. Come on, shake. I guess not. Okay, well then, come on, Yordi. Yordi, say hi to the video. Ooh, my metal bars that look like guns. Hey, come on. Yordi!
Okay, your internet's up.
My internet's up? Yeah, it is. Someone just sent me a video.
Eat your sandwich.
Okay, and should I delete you out of the video?
Yes.
Can you be in the video for once, please? Please?
Not right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna lay down because I don't feel good. Can I go take some medicine?
I'll edit.
And then after, I'm going to the doctor.
Okay. Mini girl? Where the heck is Yordi at? That's my question. The fat cat. Daddy. Oh, and guys, this will be the end of the video. I'm very sorry. It was very short. It's only like 2 minutes in. But today I did. Well, Mom was buying presents for, But I'm not a fan of Silverman either, for some reason. Just a 10-year-old kid. I forget I ever said that, okay? So I have Blades here. All of them. And comment down which one you like the best. Do you like this one? My favorite. No, not really. It's not my favorite, but I like it. This one is my favorite. Wait. No, this one is. This one is my favorite. And second and third. Second favorite. And third favorite. So, goodbye, guys. I hope you guys had a fun time. And yes, I do. I have Call of Duty. Bye.